This grand celebration is of vital importance in the lives of people of Dakai village in Sarguja district in Chhattisgarh. Neither a ritual nor deity worshipping, it is rather a celebration of success of a people's movement. A movement that has been a harbinger of change. It was a movement by the community and for the community. It took almost a year of continuous and untiring efforts to let the people realize the sense of sanitation and hygiene in the small tribal village some 200 miles from the state capital, Raipur. Since the village is declared open defecation free, they have all come here to celebrate.
करना छोड़ दिया जी, साफ सफाई करने का मतवाला हूँ।
हम लोग का डकई पंचायत आज स्वस्थ हो गया है, शौचालय सबके यहाँ घर घर हो गया है। इस खुशी में हम लोग आज खूब नाचे गाए।
हम सब मिलकर एक साल से लगातार प्रयास किए ताकि जो आज हम डकई पंचायत को खुले में शौच मुक्त करने में कामयाब हुए।
Jagmania of Mahora village of the Lundra block is one of the real heroes of this movement. Her husband was a poor farmer who died at an early age. Jagmania was so inspired by the movement that she sold her paddy crop and invested 10,000 rupees in building a toilet in her courtyard. Not to be content with this, she also built a separate one for her in-laws too.
लड़का छुआ तो और कहाँ जही से कहीं का कर वहाँ जही कहाँ डार ना बगार सब जगह तो खेती करते तले डारे नहीं है तेकर में बना है मैं कहता हूँ बना तो मैं कहीं ये सियानी कहाँ जही में कहीं हमनो और मोर सास ससुर मैं कहीं बनाए दूँ कहीं तले बनाए दे हमनो बारे सास ससुर बर बनाए दे हूँ और मोरो बर बनाए हूँ मोर लड़का छुआ कहाँ जही जवान जवान मोर बेटी बेटा होगी न है फिर उन्होंने छानी खपरा बेचाए हों सब लेके तो 10,000 लेग किस खर्चा है।
Tulsi Kunwar of village Udari is a widow and a poor farmer. She is another hero of the silent revolution. Pitying on her pathetic economic condition, people discouraged her and even laughed at her decision not to let her daughter go in the open for defecation. She took it as a challenge and herself built a toilet for her family.
सरपंच गला कहते हाँ कहते देहूँ आज देहूँ कल देहूँ मैं रोज रहेंगे ऊपर जगह नहीं दही तो मैं बनाए लहूँ को खरीद के मैं बनाए लहूँ को ऊपर जग जा वहू कहे मोरला बना हूँ फिर दूसर जन जग जा वहू कहे कि मोरला बना हूँ कहे मैं कहे मैं बनाए लहूँ आप मैं कहूँ पहले मैं शौचालय ला बनाए लहूँ कहले मोर घर में पाछू बना हूँ लेकिन मैं बना हूँ शौचालय कहाँ तो कहते हाँ कहते कोई कहते मैं नहीं सके बरखा दिने कैसे बनाबो मैं कि मैं झाला बनाए के बना हूँ लेकिन मैं बना हूँ इतना मान कह देते हैं तो।
The story of this movement is incomplete without proper acknowledgement of the contribution of Angarmati, a 17 years old brave girl of village Bardari in Lundra. Angarmati was one of the members of the Nirmal Samuh, a group trained to motivate and monitor people using open toilets. As a young girl, she faced an uphill task to educate people about this movement. Her parents were initially unwilling to join, but later gave in to her determination.
सुबह बोले कि 4 बजे भोर में जाओगी तो कोई देखेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे, तू तो भले बढ़िया काम करने के लिए जा रही हो, हम लोग घर में रहेंगे तो देखेंगे तो फिर बोलबे ना करेंगे कि कहाँ जाती है रोज़ दिन फलनी की बेटी, क्या करने के लिए जाती है इतना अंधेला में, ऐसे बोलेंगे और मजाक उड़ाएंगे। और मैं बोली कि बुरी नज़र से देखेंगे तो देखने दीजिए, लेकिन मैं जाऊंगी और लोगों को बताऊंगी कि मेरे गांव में इतनी समस्या है और उस समस्या को सुलझाने के लिए मेरे को कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा।
This movement heralded a new era in Sarguja. It proved a catalyst for restoring of self-esteem, and it also instilled a sense of security in women like Jagmanya, Tulsi and many more. It was conceived as a 9-month project which started in July 2015 with the support of UNICEF. The project was envisaged for supporting the district administration Sarguja for the implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission, which aims to make the country free from open defecation by 2019. Sarguja was awarded with the Best Public Administration Award in 2008 for making 119 Gram Panchayats as Nirmal Gram Panchayats. But these Gram Panchayats reverted to the evil practice of open defecation over a period of time. According to 2011 census data, 78.2% of population of Sarguja was into the practice of open defecation.
Earlier Nirmal Gram Panchayats witnessed slip back. Restoring the structures, taking people along to repair the old toilets was the biggest challenge here. People were asking for the new toilets as it was happening in the other villages, convincing them that new toilets can't be sanctioned because they have already made their toilets in earlier schemes, and then again convincing them to use their own resources to repair them. The support which we had from UNICEF and the NGO partner was tremendous in terms of CLTS. We actually did it, and now we claim that Lundra and Batoli block are almost open defecation free, and I hope with this approach their minds have become clean and open.
To implement the project in reality, UNICEF appointed Udan Society, an NGO working in Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the area of water and sanitation, to execute community approach towards total sanitation project. The district administration also worked hand in hand with the NGO for the field level implementation of this project.
से स्वच्छता जो है इसको सारे ब्लॉक में जितने हैं, चाहे वो शिक्षा विभाग हो, चाहे आपका महिला बाल विकास कल्याण विभाग हो, चाहे उसमें पीएचई का विभाग हो, चाहे एग्रीकल्चर का विभाग हो, ये सारे विभागों को अपने अपने क्षेत्रों में एक जिम्मेदारी के साथ काम करने के लिए उनकी ड्यूटी लगाई। सबको अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में प्रभारी अधिकारी नियुक्त किया गया। वो अपने टीम में, जैसे कि आईसीडीएस डिपार्टमेंट हो गया तो अपनी आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्ताओं को जो मैदानी अमले हैं उनको पूरा हर वार्ड में, पारा में, मोहल्ले में घूम घूम के वहाँ पर उनको प्रोत्साहित किया गया, जागरूक किया गया कि वो अपने शौचालय का उपयोग करें और टूटे फूटे शौचालयों को बनाएं।
40 village panchayats of Lundra and 10 of Batoli blocks of Sarguja district were selected initially to implement the CATS project. Program officers, CATS expert and field volunteers were appointed in Ambikapur. The project staff was first provided a 2-day training program for capacity building. After the training, the field volunteers visited the selected Gram Panchayats for a baseline survey to understand the status of toilet construction, problems and issues, number of households without toilets, etc. After having a basic understanding of the project area, the clustering of the intervention area was done.
Udan Society has always been committed for the underserved and marginalized communities. Our commitment has once again shown when we have partnered with UNICEF in the Sarguja district under the CATS project. The clustering of these 50 villages was done in close association with the local government officials who were aware about the area and who have done work in this area in year 2008 also. Along with them, 5 villages, each 5 village cluster was constructed so that a field volunteer is being recruited in each village.
A training to block level officers, secretaries, BDOs, sarpanchs, rozgar sahayaks, female masons, navratnas, etc. was provided to let them understand the efficacy of CAT. The next step in the project was to organize it as a village level training at the selected Gram Panchayats. During this initiative, around 18,000 villagers of various Gram Panchayats were mobilized and motivated to renovate their toilets with their own resources. Map tool was an essential component of this training. A map of a village is drawn, locating the households and geographical features such as ponds and lakes, etc. Then, the villagers are asked to identify their homes and open places where they defecate. This is how the volunteers explain them how their lives are at stake due to open defecation. This is followed by a pledge that they will never use open areas for defecation. During this project, the field volunteers also organized sanitation drives in various villages and schools. A CLTS training was also organized for the school children, followed by Swachhata Shapath that they will never go for open defecation. A Swachhata rally was also organized for community mobilization. The district administration also helped the project by their IEC activities, which included Kala Jatha and Nukkad Nataks, which are of course an effective means to change the mindset of rural masses.
क्योंकि ट्राइबल है, शिक्षा का जो प्रतिशत भी कम है, तो वहाँ पास आईसी वैन जो कला जत्था हो गया आपका, ये सब चीज़ें हैं, तो उसको लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभाव करता है और उसका सही पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट यहाँ निकला है। आपका CLTS जो प्रोग्राम है उसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। यूनिसेफ की टीम ने और अन्य लोगों ने यहाँ जो किया उस पर बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव पड़ा यहाँ कि कैसे उन्होंने अपने आप को वहाँ प्रेजेंट किया, बतलाया कि बाहर जाने से क्या नुकसान है, क्या गंदगी है, बीमारियाँ कैसे फैलती हैं और कैसे आता है। उसमें इनके दिलो दिमाग पर बिल्कुल परिवर्तन का लहर चलाया।
A group of people, including the Gram Pradhans, health workers called Mitanin, the Navratnas, Anganwadi workers and other stakeholders was formed at every village. This group was coined as Nirmal Samuh and were responsible to provide technical support, monitor the progress of toilet construction, and also to motivate people to renovate them. Their routine duty is to keep a watch on people twice a day as early morning and evening follow-up. During the follow-up time, if they find any person defecating in the field, the person was counselled upon. In some cases, the Gram Panchayat also imposed a fine of Rs 200 for those who were continuously violating the norms.
हम लोग निर्मल समूह के सभी सदस्य सुबह शाम बाहर शौच करने वालों को पकड़ने के लिए निकलते हैं। तो देखते हैं अगर कोई पुरुष पकड़ा जाता है तो उसे फूलों के हार से उसका स्वागत करते हैं और कोई महिला पकड़ाती है तो पर्ची काट के उसको उस पर्ची में 200 रुपये का जुर्माना होता है, उसको भरना रहता है।
ग्राम सभा में एक प्रस्ताव पारित किए हैं कि मतलब किस प्रकार से हम खुले में शौच मुक्त ग्राम पंचायत में फिर कोई अगर जाता है तो उसको हम कैसे समझाइश दें, जुर्माने का जो प्रावधान है ये सब कैसे उसको एक मतलब सभी आपस में सहमति करके इसका निर्धारण किया और इस बार का कंटिन्यू बना ही रहेगा।
The Nirmal Samuh members, with the help of the volunteers, also organized Ratri Chaupal, an audio-visual training where the information about sanitation was presented through films and motivational videos. The CATS project has emerged as a model of development in the tribal district. A program which gave birth to a people's movement produced rich dividends as the 50 Gram Panchayats of Sarguja are now declared free from open defecation. People in the nearby areas have started understanding the importance of hygiene and cleanliness and are asking for CAT training. The district administration of Sarguja has set an example for others to follow. If the same model is adopted in other districts, India can soon become free from open defecation. The district administration is now planning to expand this project to the whole district and wants every village to enjoy the success of this movement the way Dakai Gram Panchayat is celebrating.